Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we'll check how to swap USDT to Sol on Phantom Wallet. So let's start. Just click on the option that says swap. Here, just click here and you can see that I have USDT to Solan. So just click here if you want to change the currency. Just click here and you will see that there are a lot of currencies available on Phantom Wallet. Well, in this case I want to Solana. Just click here in the amount that you want to change or swap. In this case you want to click here and well, you will see how much you will receive in this currency. As you can see, this appears very easy. So now if you want to change your swap here, if you want to from Sol to USDT, you can do it, and in that way you can check how much you will receive in USDT. That's the way to do it. As you can see, it's very easy. I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give like to this video.